There are places that leave a lasting impression, some for what they offer, others for who they are. Dominica is one of those places, a nation where nature, culture, and community are woven into everyday life. Its rainforests, its rivers, its coastline are part of a living heritage. That heritage can be seen in its traditions, heard through its music, and experienced in the warmth of its people. As Dominica continues to evolve, it remains committed to preserving the qualities that make the island unique. Development here is guided by a long-term vision, one that values progress while respecting nature, supporting communities, and celebrating authentic experiences. It is this balance that continues to shape Dominica's future, a future inspired by its past and guided by the values that define the nation today. Discover the story behind Dominica